Good day, everybody. Once again, welcome to Flicker Brains. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be explaining to you guys everything you need to know about before getting into an AdSense and everything you need to understand about AdSense loading and how it works. Okay, so first of all, let's log into our Google AdSense account. So I'll show you guys what we have done so far on this account, being this month December. Okay, so let's log in. All right, right on the screen you can see over here that this is my live AdSense dashboard, and from the screen over here you have seen what we have generated so far today. You can see today so far what was generated on account, roughly $1,000. This is 900 and something dollars. You can see this month so far we have generated roughly $26,000 on this account. Now for those of you that are new to this page, this account is an old account that has been receiving massive payments for a long time. Like for years now, it has been receiving huge payments. And throughout this year, I've been posting update on this account since January. I think I've been dropping update on this account even when it goes on ad limits. Whenever issues happens to it, I drop the updates. Even when we make more, I drop the updates so you guys will follow me and see whatever we are doing on the account. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscription button and follow up for more if you want to keep getting more updates on the current method that is effective and working. Okay, so now you can look over our CPC. You can see what we got on our CPC today. This $2 is low according to what we normally get, is low, but our CPC dropped yesterday, is low. We're still working on increasing the CPC properly, and you can see the number of clicks that was generated today. That's roughly 300 clicks generated on the account today. So guys, this method is a safe method to use and work on your accounts without having any issues. Now for those of you that are new to blogging, you don't have an AdSense account, you want to learn how to generate, how to build a website, get it approved by AdSense and get it monetized. Okay, you can click on the description box below. You can contact me for more enquiries. Okay, now regarding AdSense loading, is one major thing that makes a loading method effective is the proxies you're working with. One, secondly, the cookies you're actually working with. Now you can see that I said that my CPC is low. If you have been on the channel for a while, you notice that my CPC is always high. You understand? We normally make use of high profile cookies because cookies is one of the major way to increase your revenue on AdSense. Cookies and your proxy are very important. Now why proxy is important is in terms of your clicks dropping, in terms of your account getting ad limits. Now there are two major reasons of an account getting ad limits. Your account gets ad limits either you're using a bad proxy or the method you are working with is not effective. Now many of you out there are using cherry proxy. This cherry proxy is not a good proxy. Most of you that are using cherry proxy, it has issues recently. Even for bots, it can't import in bots anymore. So for you guys out there, I advise no one should use cherry proxy again. It's going to get your account one or two problems. Like I think 3 days ago, this account was on ad limits because of that cherry proxy. So I've stopped using cherry proxy. I don't work with cherry proxy again. Okay, let me reload this. Okay, so now for replacing your cherry proxy, I also recommend you guys to work with PI proxy. I'll be dropping the link for PI proxy in the description box. This PI proxy is a good proxy. I've worked with it for a while and I didn't face any issues with my account. So guys, if you want to learn this method, you want to know how we do this, how we work on our accounts, load it without it having any problem, and we get paid with it, click on the description box below, contact us for more inquiries. All right, have a nice day, my subscribers. See you and safe loading to everyone out there.